Up for sale, 1979 AMC AMX. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 79 AMX, 304, 4-speed, power steering, front disc brakes, fold down back seat, and factory AC. As always, I'm going to go around it, tell everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we'll start here in the front as always. But before I do, I've never seen one of these in person. They're rather hard to come by, and I guess it could be maybe, not a lot of them ordered back in the day. Probably not a lot of them made it out alive, to be honest with you. A late 70s AMC. This one, however, is the example you want. The underneath, zero rust, no replacement panels. All original metal, of course. The interior is mint original. Factory colors. You can't beat the black. Where do I want to begin on it, though? Nicely optioned, too, with the AC and a 4-speed car. So we'll start here on the front bumper. You see like a little mark on it there. A couple marks that you see in the front as well. We did just drive it an hour and a half, mostly on the highway, up to like 75 miles an hour. This thing runs and drives beautifully. Of course, some of this trim is original. I mean, I highly doubt they replicate some of this stuff. I love this sticker on the hood, or the decal on the side. It kind of has that faux Trans Am, and I gotta be honest, I'd rather have this now after all the Trans Ams I have, and then driving this and seeing this. I guess when they're right, they're cool. Where do I want to begin on this? Let's show you the hood fitment. Perfect. Little touch-up right there. Perfect. The best way to describe the paint, if I had to guess, one repaint. Like a show-and-go repaint. It's got a little bit of, imperfections, but it's like a perfect, take you to the cruise night, you don't see them, reliable, drive anywhere, get ice cream, get in this car, drive it to California tomorrow. Just to flash you the interior, I want to pop the hood, which is pretty neat. It's 76,217 miles on the car. I have the title from Pennsylvania with the documented original miles on it, which is cool. I'm just trying to think what else. I mean, this is what I was kind of getting at. You see some little, like specks in the paint. It's probably along the lines of what you would have got from the factory in 1979, if I had to guess. I love the engine bay. Very correct appearing. You got the right air cleaner on there. AC hooked up. The AC works. Steering, dual master cylinder for the front disc brakes. And I was laughing at how small the battery is, but that's probably what you need, of course. Clean. You got the tag back there. Not messed around with. I'm just sitting here thinking. It's got pretty much actually a month ago, brand new correct carburetor for it. I have the original with the tag on it still. It's neat to have. It's good to go with the car. I mean, if you want to rebuild it, put it back on, by all means. Underhood, very nice, clean. You still got this kind of stuff on there. Hoses appear to be, somewhat correct. And it's smooth as silk. I'm just going to fire it up. And not that it matters, probably my favorite 4-speed shifter I've had in a car. So I want to make sure I'm in neutral. It's so easy to go into reverse. It's so easy to find, all 4 gears. Smooth as silk. I don't want you to hear the little rumble here. You get a car cover. You get a couple, miscellaneous things that were just replaced. All those gauges work, these gauges work. Radio works, AC works, horn works, lights work, of course. But anyway, I didn't show you, but the tag is in the door. I'll show you that when we get there. Correct wheels on there. Love the Futura white letter tires on there as well. I'm getting a little closer here now. So you see the little bit of orange peel on the car. Yeah, I guess a wet sand and buff would benefit. Look how nice that fitment is there. Door to the rocker, door to the quarter. This thing's probably never, you know, I would say this is not a molested car. VIN is in place. I'll show you the tag again. No, as you see that, no cracks there in the dash pad. It's got the original steering wheel with the, you know, leather around it. It had a sleeve for it. They took it off to show how nice it was. Again, if you want to preserve that, put the sleeve back on. You see some handprints here, but a couple little door edge marks that you see. This is nice here, and it's solid as a rock. You feel around this this well here. That's metal. Sunroof. How nice this original metal is in here. Original tag there. And then just look at the, well, of course, glass is mint. I don't have to go into too much detail. But look how nice this door panel is. Nice original, nice design as well for a 79. Nice in here, actually some water marks. I was blind. Just want to make sure you see it for what it is. A little bit better. Soft as can be. No rips. Again, familiar view, but here we go. You know, no leather cracking on the steering wheel. Your dash gauges. A little bit of silver paint over here. That's all very nice. And the console. I really love the console. So the way the shifter works, obviously, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 slides in like butter. To put it into reverse, you push down and it just goes right in. Like the second you push down, it just opens up. Boom. I love it. Some of them are hard. You're sitting there trying to find it. This just falls right into place. I accidentally answered a spam call. Look how nice it is in here. How nice it is there. Original metal, not bondoed up. Flash you the back seat. It's a power trunk release as well. For what, as much headliner as there is, headliner's mint, working dome light. Visors are nice. And then to pop the hood, trunk lid. Okay. You know, a couple little imperfections in here. It's got this like that rust preventative finish down here. I guess attention to detail from the factory. Same thing on the bumper. I kind of like that look. Of course, no bubbles. In here, there's a little bubbling on that piece of trim there. But this lines up perfect. And again, this lines up perfect. Of course, I have it open. Back bumper. You see a couple little marks there. Stays open on its own. Cover, spare. Nice material in here on both sides as well. Box with the random stuff. If you wanted to protect the steering wheel. Carburetor with the tag on it. Huge. Because of course you want to have your original engine, your original transmission. And again, it's nice to have the carburetor. Again, that rust preventative finish there. Same here, no bubbles. Perfect fitment here. Same couple imperfections on this lip, just like the other side. But again, up and over, it's nice. See a little ding there. But again, as you feel it, it's metal. As you tap on it, that's metal. Trying to think. Maybe I'll show you the underneath, I guess. I took some nice pictures, but I'll give you an idea. Just how solid and original these floors are. This is really all you need to see to get the idea of what everything else looks like. Nice fitment here. Again, I love the finish line there. Door to the rocker is nice. Door to the fender is perfect. Right in the middle of this door, 1, 2. I just saw a third one when I was laying down right there. Beautiful. Nice weather stripping as well. But again, it'll be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. Go to eBay first. It's always updated first. When I post the car, it goes directly there. Then when I have time, I do my website. I have been backlogged on it, so don't rely on the site. Beautiful back seat. Little mark there. See some little zits here. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we're going to fire her up now. Show her drive and then get in for the driving. Thank you. Reverse lights work. Welcome to 1979.
That's when he was born in 80, right?
He said 79. But sometimes he just keeps going and going, so maybe he is. No, that'd be 44. So he's got to be 79.
Yeah.
When does he turn 45?
November, right?
Oh, wow.
November 5th.
notice it's got fold down back seats?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, Ford.
Uh-huh.
What about it?
Good old long bed.
Yeah, beds saw a lot of action.
The what? Oh, I got it. I don't like it. I don't like the Ford. Too much blue. Wow. Oh, I know. Oh, can I turn? Oh. Oh my gosh.
It helped me when I had to. Did you notice I had it there?
Yeah, I saw you moving it around.
This was a hell of a car, Sunday
Yeah, well, yeah,
night. I feel like I'm driving an IROC or something like
I think it's better than that. I think it's much better than that. I think it's sportier looking. I think the interior is nicer. I'm sure an automatic is far less fun, but
that. Oh, yeah.
a 4-speed still.
Same thing.
But an automatic still probably nice, enjoyable.